When you move, one of the biggest decisions you've got to make is who's going to work with you as your local agent. I want to make sure you have all the info you need to make the best decision possible. So let's start clearing the air with some myths that may be in the back of your mind. Myth number one is all agents are the same. Honestly, this couldn't be further from the truth. Agents have a wide range of experience and expertise, and you want to do your research and find someone that's aligned with you with what you're looking for. Myth number two, you can save money by not using an agent. The expertise, negotiation skills, and market knowledge a pro has will help you avoid major headaches in the process, and ultimately that can save you money in the long run. And myth number three is agents will push you to spend more. The simple truth here is a good agent will never do that. Instead, they'll focus on helping you find the very best option within your budget. If you've heard any of these before, I hope I put your mind to ease, and don't let myths keep you from expert guidance that you deserve. Thanks for watching. Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.